Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Let's Talk Naturally. I'm Shauna. If you're into DIYs and natural hair care products, this is the channel for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, to like and subscribe to my channel. I do regular updates on Thursdays. This video is going to be a Bask and Bloom product review. I use their entire product line for my wash day. See if you can count how many times I say Shampoo Bar. That's a trivia for you. Enjoy this video and I'll see you after. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shauna at Let's Talk Naturally. Today I'll be showing you what my wash day looks like using the Bask and Bloom product line, and I'll also be demonstrating how I do a two-strand twist out. The first thing I did was I used their stimulating herbal oil as a pre-poo before using their Razul and bentonite clay shampoo bar. This was my first time using a shampoo bar, so I just cut off a little piece of the shampoo bar so that I didn't waste any of the shampoo bar, and that's what you see me using to wash my hair. I just section off my hair with my fingers and I focus on lathering my scalp with the shampoo bar. This was a great first experience for me. I would definitely use shampoo bars again, and I was very pleased with the way that this shampoo bar made my hair feel. And I shouldn't have been surprised because this shampoo bar has amazing ingredients. It has Razul clay, it's got bentonite clay. Both are wonderful cleansers. The Razul clay is extra moisturizing and it softens your hair. It also has coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, aloe butter, and castor oil, and so many more great ingredients in the shampoo bar. And so I'm just focusing on massaging my scalp mostly and then working the lather down my hair shaft, and I'm just making sure that I get all of that out. Next up was the Bask and Bloom Brahmi Root hair mask. This was a great hair conditioning. I used it as a deep conditioner, and I really loved how moisturizing it was for my hair. And what's great about Brahmi Root is that it's one of those Ayurvedic herbs that repairs and restores your hair. It strengthens blood vessels, it brings oxygen and nutrients to stimulate your hair growth, and it helps to prevent hair loss. It also binds protein in the hair shaft, giving you stronger and thicker hair. So I'm just finger detangling as I go along, and after I do that, I just go in with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that I got all of those tangles out. My hair wasn't too tangled. One of the things I liked about this hair mask is that it has great slip, and it was moisturizing, as I mentioned. It's got burdock root in it, which is rich in vitamin A. It's got yucca root, which thickens your hair and it treats dandruff. Avocado oil, which is a natural anti-inflammatory and antifungal oil, and it's got honey. I'm just clipping my hair away before putting on a plastic bag over my head and waiting 20 minutes before rinsing it out. 20 minutes are up. I unclip and I'm feeling how nice and soft, and my hair is bouncy. It's got great elasticity. It just feels good. You know when your hair feels good. It feels so nice and healthy, hydrated. It's just happy, healthy, bouncy, thicker hair. And this says a lot for me because I have very fine hair. Because I had colored my hair about 2 years ago, I struggled with high porosity for a while, and since really focusing more so on hair health, my porosity has been changing, and that's a video for a different time. But my hair just feels so nice and healthy after this deep conditioning treatment. So I'm just rinsing that out, making sure that I get it all out from the scalp down to the ends of my hair. And you see me just touching it, and that's just because I'm like, wow, this is really soft. It just made my hair so soft. My hair is just really so happy with this product. I'm just squeezing out the excess water. And I don't towel dry my hair. Normally what I do is I just go in with some sort of oil just to lock in that moisture. And so of course in this case I once again went in with the Bask and Bloom Stimulating Herbal Oil. This has some really great ingredients in it, just like everything else in this product line. It's got olive oil with aloe vera. It's got marshmallow root. It's got horsetail, which strengthens your hair, neem, rosemary, sage, lavender. Great stuff in there. And I just want to show you what I do to save that little bit of shampoo bar. I'm just wrapping it in some saran wrap. And this is what's left. See? It's nice and dry, and I'm just going to put what I didn't use back in that box and save it for the next time. Now I'm going to go in with their leave-in conditioner. And I already started twisting my hair, but I just wanted to show you, for those newcomers to the natural hair community who don't know how to do a two-strand twist. I go in with a leave-in conditioner first, and then I'm using their Bask and Bloom hair gel, their twirly hair gel, and I'm just coating my hair strands with both those products. Look at the definition, you guys. Look at that. Making sure that my hair is finger detangled, that I've coated all my strands with these products. And honestly, I could tell from the way my hair reacted to this product line that if I wanted to do a wash and go with this product, I could. Just look at the elasticity, look at the definition, and I have type for coily hair. It's just bouncy, it's defined. Take two sections of your hair and you're grabbing it with one hand, wrapping it around your fingers, and grabbing it with the next hand. Pull with one hand, bring it forward, grab with your fingers, and pick it up with the other hand. And you just continue that process straight down. That's how you do your two-strand twist. And I'm just finger detangling just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. That's a key to a good two-strand twist out, is to just make sure that your ends are nice and smooth. And I wrap my end around my finger. Here we are the next day, getting ready to take these twists out. They're completely dry. And I start off by using the hair stimulating growth oil. I put a little bit on my hand and I start separating my twists. And the key to separating your twist is starting from the bottom and working your way up. You want to feel for any twist you might have missed. And then you fluff. You continue to separate. When you get a knot, just be patient to get it out, and you continue to fluff. You can use a pick at this point if you want more volume, but I find that I get enough volume finger fluffing. I just want to take a moment to demonstrate what I mean when I say that you want to separate where your hair naturally separates. And you could see how you just kind of go in and you separate those curls. It gives you fuller hair without it being extra frizzy. Now I'm going to show you what I do with my edges. I just spritz a little bit of water and I'm gently rubbing that in, smoothing it out. And then I'm going to put some of that stimulating hair growth oil onto my edges, and look at the shine that it gives. It's all the good oils in there that's giving it nice shine. It's going to help keep your edges nice and healthy and lay them down nice and flat. And then I go in with the hair gel right behind that, and I'm going to just rub that in with my fingers into my edges just to help it lay down and stay that way. I'm going to repeat that process on the next side, just laying those edges down with my hands. I'm not using a toothbrush or an edge brush or anything like that. I'm just using my fingers, no brushes and no combs in this process. And that's it. Final fluffing. Shiny, bouncy, nice. Look at that shrinkage, you guys. It's so crazy. And these are my final results. So there you have it. As you could tell from the video, I absolutely loved all the products that I've tried from them so far. They have other products and I can't speak for them, but as far as the ones that are demonstrated in this video, I absolutely loved it. You heard it from me. It's my favorite product line right now, and it doesn't mean I'm not open to trying other products. I love trying new products with great ingredients, but my experience was just such a good one. It's going to be hard to top this one, but prove me wrong. But that's my personal experience. I would definitely recommend Bask and Bloom Essentials for curly hair girls. It is not only moisturizing, but it's got like that really good moisture protein balance. It's just plain out, flat out hair food that smells delicious, because I forgot to mention how great the fragrance is in this line as well. And I also forgot to mention that this is my hair 7 days after using the product. And as you can see, there's still so much definition for my curls. It's a 7-day-old twist out, and I haven't been refreshing every day. I've been refreshing every other day, just scrunching the leave-in conditioner into my ends. So yeah, this is 7 days after that video, and I plan on keeping this hair going for a couple more days before my next wash day. So for all of you curlies who haven't checked it out yet, it is definitely a product I would recommend. And as I mentioned, I didn't get paid to do this video. It's just my honest opinion. And for those who've tried it, let me know. Did you have a similar results? Do you love it as much as I did, or did it react differently with your hair? So thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. We'll have lots of fun over here. Take care. See you next week.